Hi guys, so we are busy with the registration of Glize. It's ongoing for the next 2 weeks. So the first step is that you need to install the Yumi wallet. It looks like this. All right. So go to your Play Store, your App Store, and install your Yumi wallet. Once you are done, open it, and then you have to start configuring it. Okay. So let's go ahead and create the wallet. All right. Very important. It says here, first generate a mnemonic phrase. Mnemonic phrases are very important because they are security phrases or security codes. Whenever you lose your phone and you want to access your Yumi wallet again, you might need to enter your mnemonic phrases. Okay? So these phrases, these 24 phrases, you need to write them down, all of them. And make sure that you write them down at a safe area and be able to remember where you wrote them down again. Once you are done, click on the confirm that I have saved the mnemonic phrases, and you create and log in. Okay, now you have a Yumi address. Okay, so because your Yumi address haven't received any Yumi coins yet, so what you can do is copy it, go to your CGen, send at least 0.01 minimum or just one, doesn't really matter. Okay, minimum is 0.01. You can send even one, it's okay. And if you don't have, ask your upliner to send you the 0.01, okay, and be able to register. Then you click next, and then you click withdraw. Okay, and then it says here, an email has been sent to you. Go to your emails, you receive an email like this. Okay, that's written confirm withdrawal. And then you click on this green button here to confirm the withdrawal. Okay, once you've clicked on it, you again receive another blue button to click on it so that you can now finally confirm the withdrawal. It looks like this. Once you have finally confirmed the withdrawal, and if you go back to your wallet, you will have a balance of 1 Yumi or 0.01 Yumi. And now you are ready for registration. Okay, the next step is that go to your referral link that you have received from your upline. Click on it like that. Here you are. It says referral link, yes, and then go to the next step. Click on it like that. It asks for the Yumi address. So now this is your Yumi address. So go to your app, this one. Okay, your Yumi wallet, and then paste your address there. I have copied it, so I'll paste it there. Okay. Oh. Okay, next, copy the caption phrase. Okay, I've copied it. Go back to your wallet, click on signature right there. Paste the caption phrase right there. Click on generate signature. Okay. Click on copy and close. Okay, now go back here again, paste, enter the signature right there, that long phrase, yeah, and then click on I'm familiar with the terms and conditions. Okay, and then click on register. You have successfully registered. Now you can log in and use your personal account. All right, so if you click on login into your personal account, you will see that you are provided with your own referral link. Now copy it and send it to your downliners that also want to register for Glize. That's it. All right, if you have any question, please let us know so that we can assist you. All right, bye, ciao for now.